Welcome to the Learning Adda, a love found in the rain. In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young man named Liam. He was quiet, thoughtful, and loved spending time in nature. Liam often went for long walks through the fields, finding peace in the sound of the wind and the rustling leaves. One afternoon, as dark clouds gathered overhead, Liam decided to take a walk before the rain came. He wandered through the village and into a nearby forest. The first drops of rain began to fall, and soon it was pouring. Liam hurried to find shelter under a large tree. As he stood there, he noticed someone else running through the rain. It was a young woman, her hair and clothes soaked, looking for a place to stay dry. Liam quickly called out to her, "Over here. You can stay under this tree." The woman, whose name was Lily, smiled gratefully and joined him under the tree. "Thank you," she said, her voice soft. "I didn't expect it to rain so hard." Liam smiled back. "Neither did I. But it's nice to have some company." They stood there together, listening to the sound of the rain hitting the leaves. Despite the storm, there was something warm and comforting about being together in that moment. After the rain stopped, Liam and Lily walked back to the village together. They talked about the weather, the village, and their lives. Liam learned that Lily had just moved to the village to start a new job at the local library. She loved books and was excited to be in a place where she could share that passion with others. Liam, in turn, told her about his love for nature and the long walks he took every day. They found that they had a lot in common, and by the time they reached the village, they were already friends. Over the next few weeks, Liam and Lily spent more and more time together. They would meet at the library or go for walks in the forest. Their conversations were always easy and filled with laughter. Liam admired how Lily could find joy in the little things, like a good book or a beautiful sunset. Lily, on the other hand, was drawn to Liam's quiet strength and the way he noticed the beauty in the world around them. They both felt a connection growing, something deeper than just friendship. As the days turned into months, Liam and Lily became inseparable. They shared their dreams and fears, supporting each other in ways neither had expected. Liam started writing poems inspired by their time together, while Lily introduced him to her favorite books. One day, as they were walking by the river, Liam felt a surge of emotion. He realized that what he felt for Lily was more than just friendship. He wanted to be with her, to share every moment of his life with her. Lily seemed to sense his feelings because she stopped walking and turned to him. "Liam," she said softly, "there's something I need to tell you." Liam looked into her eyes, his heart pounding. "What is it, Lily?" I think I'm falling in love with you," she admitted, her voice trembling slightly. Liam's heart soared. "I'm falling in love with you too, Lily," he confessed. They stood there, by the river, holding hands and knowing that they had found something truly special. From that moment on, Liam and Lily were a couple. They spent their days exploring the village, reading together in the library, and sharing quiet moments in nature. Their love grew stronger with each passing day. One evening, as they watched the sunset from a hilltop, Liam turned to Lily and said, "I can't imagine my life without you. Will you marry me, Lily?" Tears filled Lily's eyes as she smiled. "Yes, Liam, I will marry you." They hugged each other tightly, feeling the warmth of their love surround them. They knew that they had found something rare and beautiful, a love that would last a lifetime. Liam and Lily's wedding was a simple and joyful affair. They were surrounded by the people they loved, celebrating the beginning of their new life together. After the wedding, they moved into a cozy little cottage on the edge of the village, where they could be close to nature and the things they loved. Years passed, and their love only deepened. They had children, and their home was filled with laughter, love, and the smell of fresh flowers from the garden Lily tended with care. Liam continued to write poems, many of them inspired by Lily and their life together. Lily, in turn, found joy in sharing her love of books with their children, passing on the stories that had meant so much to her. Every day, they were grateful for that rainy afternoon when they had first met under the shelter of a tree. It had been the start of a love story that would last forever, proof that sometimes love comes when you least expect it. And so, Liam and Lily lived happily ever after, their love as constant and comforting as the rain that had brought them together. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that help you improve your English while inspiring your heart.